Hello friends, my name is Vikas Kumar and you are watching Island Plus Tech Zone. So first of all, let me tell you that we are starting Python series and this is the first video on this series. Okay, so let's start. So Python has been okay. What is Python? So Python has been become one of the most popular programming language in the world in recent years. It is used everything from machine learning to build website and software testing. It can be used by developers and non-developers likely. Okay, so then start what is Python. So okay, first of all, Python is a popular programming language. Okay, so it was created by what is who this guy father of Python. So this is guy what it was created by guard Guido van Rossum. Okay, so Guido van Rossum, father of Python. Okay, and released in 1991. Okay, so Python, what is Python? Python is a programming language. Python is a programming language often used to build websites, apps, web applications, and softwares. Okay, so Python is an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level programming language. So, what is high-level programming language? So, high-level programming language is that which can be read and understand by humans. Okay, so programming language, yeah, high-level programming language and low-level programming, two programming language. So, high-level programming language read and understand by human, and low level programming language uh, easily understood by machine. Okay, machinery language and low programming language. Okay, so why this reason, yeah, why is Python so popular? So first, Python works on different platforms. So Python works on different platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. Python has a simple Python has a simple syntax similar to English language. So programming uh, programmers understand easily this language and captures. Okay, so third, Python has syntax that allow developers to write program which favor line than some other programming language. Okay, then Python is an interpreted. So what is the interpreted? So an interpreted is a kind of program that executes other program. When, yeah, you write Python programs, it converts source code written by the developers. So convert source code written by the developers into intermediate language. So what is the intermediate language? So machinery language. Okay, okay, so which is again understand into a native language, machine language that is executed. Okay, so okay, so next video, and thanks watching the video.
Thanks for watching video.